What's up, everyone? In this video, we're going to be talking about Robinhood. We're going to be taking a look at this company in an objective way. So whether you like them or you don't like them, we're going to take a look at their stock price and see if there's actually an opportunity with this one. They just reported earnings, and Robinhood is one of the most, it's been one of the most volatile stocks lately, and for good reason, as the stock literally went from $85 to $10 in 6 months. So this stock has been very volatile, and there are some good things with this one, but there's also some bad things. So just stick with me, guys. We have a good video, and we're gonna get right into it right now. So like I said, Robinhood stock has been taking a pretty big hit over the past couple of months. That is due to a couple reasons. One of the main ones is that all growth stocks have been struggling significantly over the past couple of months, but Robinhood's earnings and outlook also wasn't the best, and that did play a pretty big role. So let me showcase some of the data on the screen right now. We can see we had a pretty great article from CNBC yesterday saying Robinhood lost active users in the fourth quarter and they forecasted weak revenue. So Robinhood's most recent earnings report wasn't bad. So actually, let me pull up some data right from Robinhood, their earnings release right here. We can see in 2021 compared to 2020, their revenue was actually up 89%, which is actually a really good thing. But then again, it was kind of necessary because Robinhood and their whole business model is payment for order flow. So basically, when you go on Robinhood, when you place an order to buy a stock or cryptocurrency or option or anything like that, basically Robinhood takes your order, they sell it to an institution, and they make a ton of money doing that. All brokers do it, and Robinhood is, obviously they make a lot of money from it. We can see their transaction-based revenues in 2021 were $1.4 billion. $1.4 billion they made from selling data in 2021. They make a lot of money doing this. Their total revenues for 2021 were $1.8 billion. So most of their revenue comes from payment for order flow. So their revenue is up 89% in 2021, but think about what increases their transaction-based revenues. It's retail traders going out and trading stocks, and just the more trading, the better. In 2021 was one of the biggest years for Robinhood because we had literally market changing, just crazy events with AMC and GameStop and even cryptocurrencies going crazy. So it's yes, it's awesome to see Robinhood's revenues exploding in 2021 and with them rising by 89%, but it's also necessary because if they weren't up a significant amount, then there would be a serious problem. So that is something very important to keep in mind. So their revenue was good, but the main reason they initially fell yesterday was because of their weak forecast. So we can see right when they reported earnings after the bell, the stock just tanked down from $11.60 all the way down to $10, and now it's back above $12. So it's had a wild day. This morning it opened around $10, and it was just under 13 a couple minutes ago. So it's having a good day, even though they had such mixed results in after hours yesterday. But their guidance was the main problem. So we could see they forecasted weak revenue. We could see Robinhood basically said that they anticipate their first quarter revenue to be less than $340 million. That's down 35% compared to 2021. But the problem is that Wall Street was expecting Robinhood to have revenues in the first quarter of around $448 million. So that's a pretty big difference. Basically, everyone was expecting them to have revenue of this next upcoming quarter around $448 million, and they said, yeah, we're probably only going to go around, maybe $340 million or so. So that is a problem, and it's definitely a concern. Now, I know I guess you say the first quarter of last year was a pretty crazy quarter in the sense that we had some crazy movement out of GameStop, AMC, and other plays like that. So, but still, it's not good to give weak forecasts. So that's the bad thing. They gave weak forecasts, but it's also a positive in the sense that Robinhood is basically setting the bar very low for themselves in the sense that if revenue is bad in this upcoming quarter, it's yeah, we basically warned everyone in advance our revenue was going to suck this quarter. But let's say something crazy happens in the market and cryptocurrency goes crazy, or a stock goes crazy, or anything goes crazy that gets retail traders trading a lot. That will boost their revenue, and it should make their stock price pop up, because Robinhood is just setting the bar so low right now where it's like, if they do good, it can pop. So like, what I'm going to be doing with Robinhood is I'm just going to be watching and just seeing how things are playing out in the market overall. For example, if we see Bitcoin go crazy, or we see another huge short squeeze opportunity, or anything that gets retail traders trading more than normal, you would think that Robinhood would profit more in this next quarter. So that's just one thing to keep in mind. So like, I'm really going to be on the lookout just in the market overall, and observing how like the average retail trader is trading over the next couple of weeks and the next couple of months. So that's a big thing. Another thing I wanted to point out is if we went over to, perfect, the CNBC article, if we scroll down, we can see, let me scroll down a little bit more. Where is it? Okay, right here. So fourth quarter, so like this past quarter with Robinhood, we can see that their transaction-based revenue was $264 million in total. Out of that, options trading accounted for $163 million. The cryptocurrency trading accounted for $48 million. But what was slightly concerning for me is that Wall Street was expecting their cryptocurrency trading to be around $52 million in revenue. So another big thing for me is, like, even though, yes, like Robinhood is growing at like some very good rates year over year, this growth probably isn't sustainable unless they really innovate. And I want to see them innovate, especially like in the cryptocurrency market. And I want to see them offering more tools, kind of like Webull and some of their competitors. Because when Robinhood first started, what made traders choose Robinhood over E-Trade or TD Ameritrade or Interactive Brokers? Some of you are new to trading and you might not know the answer to that question, but what really made people go to Robinhood is because they pioneered commission-free trading. But the problem is that nowadays, every broker offers commission-free trading for the most part. And now it's like what's the big advantage of using Robinhood compared to Webull or Public.com or TD Ameritrade or SoFi or even Cash App? Like, Robinhood is very simple, and that's a huge pro for them. But then again, like, you can buy stocks with Cash App. You can use Webull. Like, what makes Robinhood great? Like, that's the question I'm asking myself when I'm considering Robinhood for a potential investment. And really, we're just going to have to see how they innovate. You know, like, I want to see big innovation with Robinhood, especially on the crypto side of things. And then even just with charting and analysis and things like that, because if we're being honest, like, Robinhood stock is at a low level right now, and that's good. And there might be opportunity, but we need to see them like optimize their platform more to give people a reason to use Robinhood over their competitors. TD Ameritrade, which is what I'm looking at right now, they crush Robinhood in terms of analysis, and that's okay. You know, Robinhood doesn't have to be the broker for ultimate, stock analysis and options trading, but they need to like have a big focus in something. It used to be that they were the only broker with commission-free trades, but that's not the case anymore. But like I said, like, the past year's revenue growth was good, but we need to see innovation to justify a play with this one. So I'm really looking at Robinhood for a potential play. I'm very split on this one. It's at a low level. Just a couple months ago, it was at $85. Now it's around $10. I guess you can say $12. It's bouncing off of a major support level right at $10. As we saw today, a ton of buyers came in right at $10 and just drove the stock right back up. They also have a really strong resistance level right around 15. So we're kind of stuck in the middle of that range between $10 and $15 right now. I'm eyeing it for a potential play. I'm not going to be buying the dip at this point in time. I just want to see how Robinhood innovates, and I want to see how they can, I guess you can say, keep people on their platform, because Robinhood has not had, but we'll say Robinhood is not the most popular trading platform for retail traders, in the sense that Robinhood kind of screwed over a lot of their customers last year with how they like halted trading, and I know that's like a big controversy. They were put in a tough position, but I know that sentiment with Robinhood isn't the best right now with retail traders. But let me know what you guys think about Robinhood. Like, would you ever buy their stock, considering how they treated some of their clients or all of their clients last year? Or would you consider, like, even if you're not a huge fan of Robinhood, would you consider buying the stock if it was at a good level? That's kind of how I am right now. Like, I'm looking at the stock. Is it a great deal right now? To me, no. There is potential, but I need to see them innovate. I need to see them innovate, and I want to see a reason to have clients choose Robinhood over other competitors, because nowadays there's like more trading platforms than ever. It seems like every day I get an ad about a new trading platform, and that's a little bit concerning for Robinhood. And even like I said earlier in the video, like even like Cash App and like Moomoo and Public.com, and like there's so many brokers nowadays. Like, why do people have to use Robinhood? You know, like, so I just want to see that. But with that being said, let me know what you guys think about Robinhood. If you're looking to analyze any company within seconds, definitely check out that first link in the description down below. It's a brand new tool that we have on the StockedUp website. It's an amazing stock analyzer. You can see exactly what is making any stock move. You can see you could access 10 years worth of data within seconds. You can compare different tickers with each other, see quarterly data, and you'll be able to see exactly what is moving any stock price in seconds. We have some crazy updates in the works behind the scenes with this. It's at an amazing price right now, and like I said, we have some really cool updates that we're working on behind the scenes. So I'm very excited for it. Definitely check it out down below. But besides that, I hope you guys have an amazing weekend, and thank you so much for watching.